Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So today in and of itself is what we would call a gap and trap in trading terminology, meaning that on Monday the price closed down here. This morning the price opened up there. That's a lie. It did not do that. It closed right there and then opened up right there, so hence the gap up. But after the gap up, the price ran a little bit more and then just totally rolled back over. So that right there is, like I said, the anatomy of a gap and trap. But with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. First key level to now watch is this green line down here at $1.33, which I talked about in the past as a support. And so far, so good. That is the exact level where the price is indeed now acting as support. So continue to watch that going forward. That's a very important level because if $1.33 does not hold up, then the next key level of support, which is not guaranteed to get tested, but would not be shocking at all, would be down here right around the dollar 25-ish mark, give or take a little bit. And that's just based on the fact that, looking back through here, there just simply isn't any other areas of support. Again, that doesn't mean that the chart or that the price is going to drop straight down there, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price just slowly drift its way back downwards, as time plays out. So, but as of right now, to be fair, $1.33 is doing a good job of acting as support, which you can see right there and there, and then you fast forward to today. There's quite the track record here, so we'll see if that level can continue to hold or not. In the event the price does hold above there and then eventually starts to get a bounce back to the upside, the key level of resistance to watch is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as this week continues to play out, that line will move itself lower and lower as time goes by. So keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so all about just trying to consolidate out and stay up above that $1.33 mark. So we'll see what happens with this one. But yeah, it's definitely sitting at a very important level. So let's see if the bulls can hold it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.